Now, with mismanaged facilities, you're not going to be able to go to a local bank to get a loan because they're just not going to do it, right? Income producing properties and new construction. Also, you always want to compare a local bank with like an SBA, like a big, SBA lender, and compare what the terms are going to be. Because a lot of times local banks have better terms than SBA. And they may require a little bit more down, but the terms, the interest rate is going to be a lot better, and the terms of the loan are going to be a lot better. Okay. So if you find an income producing property or you want to do some sort of new construction, then highly, highly recommend that you talk to a local bank in the area where you want to do it and get their offers of what they would offer you for their terms as well. Okay. And so we have now 3 different types of facilities. We have mismanaged facilities, income producing, and new construction. Obviously, new construction, you can go to SBA or local banks. Income producing properties, you can go to SBA or local banks, right? On all of these, you could always partner and raise the money. So it doesn't have to be a mismanaged facility in order for you to do some sort of equity partnership. You can always raise money and then create a company and go out there and build a facility together or buy an income producing property together. Okay. Another thing that you could do is you could, like, let's just say that you could get a loan from a bank. Let's say it is an income producing property and it has a P&L, it's got the balance sheet, it's got, tax, when the owners are willing to give tax returns and whatever it is. Because the truth of the matter is I'll buy mismanaged facilities, but I'm not going to sell those facilities until I know I can give like 2 years of tax returns at the highest level I could possibly get them to, and my P&L and my balance sheet, because I want to sell my facilities as income producing properties. Right, that's your goal, is to sell at the highest possible value that you can get it at. But you have to be able to show P&L and balance sheets and tax returns in order to do that. Okay, so we buy mismanaged facilities that we can in the next 3 years go sell them to somebody else and get the highest value we can get. So the mismanaged facilities, the exit strategy for us personally, most likely is going to be to sell that facility and then 1031 exchange it into the profit that we make into a better, into a bigger deal. And several of my lenders they just say, please just take my money with you. I don't want the money back, right? And so one of my private lenders, he gives me quite a bit of money, and he does not want his money back. He's just making money on his money. So why would he want it back, right? And so we've discussed, like I'm saying, okay, like our loans are coming to term. We're gonna either should I just refi you out and pay you the money back, or what should I do? And he's like, I don't want my money back. You need to, if you're going to sell it, then you need to take my money with you, and we're going to use that as a down payment or something like that, right? So, so once you start getting into the private lender world and truly learning how to raise money, this is really what happens: is that you create these partnerships that are win-win situations for everybody, and then they just want to stay with you. Okay. Now, some of them will want the money back, which is fine. But some of them, they just want you to keep working their money. Okay. And so income producing properties, you will get a P&L and a balance sheet. You'll get like all the things that you need in order to be able to, sell it at top dollar. You will be getting that. Okay.